Hey, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of chiaroscuro and sfumato, two artistic techniques used by Leonardo da Vinci in his masterpiece, The Last Supper. So, let's get started. Chiaroscuro is an Italian term meaning light dark, and it's all about creating contrast with light and shadow. Da Vinci uses this technique to highlight Jesus' face in The Last Supper. By doing this, he not only draws our attention to Jesus, but also suggests that something significant is about to happen next. Now, let's talk about sfumato, another Italian term meaning smoky. This technique involves creating a hazy or blurred effect around the edges of an object. In The Last Supper, Da Vinci uses sfumato around Jesus' head, giving it a mystical and otherworldly feel. He achieves this by skillfully blending light and shadow just enough that the figures seem to blend into the background. Overall, chiaroscuro and sfumato are incredibly powerful techniques that Da Vinci used to create depth, emotion, and a sense of suspense in his work. Thanks for joining me on this artistic journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content like this one. Until next time.